those sights. It can't hit anything.
Don't worry, son. I think I can help you. Hey guys, Kilotho here. As you can tell from the intro of this video, Nerf sights are not that accurate. So, what I have done is created some 3D printed Nerf sights to increase the accuracy of a Nerf gun. Now, we all know it's not actually going to make anything more accurate, but what it does do is it makes it more fun and it makes it more cool, okay? So, let me start with this one here. This is just a little, almost EOTech resembling, just little sight that slides onto, you know, a smaller pistol probably. That's probably what you'd use this for. You know, prints out single print, just like this, straight from the bed, nice and easy. This has actually been out for about a year on Thingiverse, so if you've seen it, then cool. So what happened is, after I made this one, I was thinking about it and I was like, okay, well, I kind of wanted to step up the game a little, and that's sort of what brought me to this. This is basically, you know, just a small scope or, you know, red dot type sight, and it's just got some details here on the side that you can print out in different colors. So here you see it in orange and black, and you know, there's a little spot on the side here where these pieces fit into. There's a little raised channel on both sides. So, you know, you can print this out whatever color you want, most likely to match whatever color Nerf gun you have, since they typically come in like a two-tone color scheme. And then you can put the, you know, the two windage and elevation knobs right here. You just glue them on there, and this is simply just, you know, super glued on as well. So you can add another one up here, or move this back, or, you know, or you don't even need these knobs on here, and be a nice sleek sight. But what is cool about this is the reticle at the front. So basically there's a little piece here that you can just pop off, and it just fits down in there. So it's like press fit, and then you can just pop out the reticle and you can grab a different one and drop it in. So it's that easy. Now, you know, over time with 3D printed snug fit stuff, you know, it wears out a little bit, so you might need to, you know, you might need to put a dab of glue on there or something to hold it in place if you really want it to stay during a hard Nerf battle. So this one is a little bit taller profile than this one here. You can see the difference there. I just noticed that some guns, this looked awkwardly tall, so I just made a little bit lower profile version that kind of hugs the gun better. It just looks a little better, so let's check out how it looks on some guns. Alright, and here we have the first one on this little Nerf revolver. That's not really a revolver, but you get the idea. And you can see on here how it works, and it just makes it, you know, kind of fun. Slides off pretty easy. One thing I have noticed with all these is that this rail vastly changes dimension from gun to gun. Some of these, they are ridiculously hard, where I'm like smashing it down on the side of a table or something to even get it to go on. I don't know what's up with that. That's a little crazy. All right, so I've kind of switched to freehand here, and basically you can see it on this Nerf gun here that, you know, it matches really well. So it turned out pretty nice. I really like how this is. You know, it's got a good sight picture. It's fun to play with. Kids really like it. So it did its job. It's fun and it looks pretty cool, and they approve. And here we have the green and black one that's lower profile. This gun is what made it seem like it needed to be lower profile, because it has more of a rifle stock on it. It just seemed that the other optic was too high, so that's what made me make this lower one. And I'm glad I did, because honestly I think this one is the more practical one, but both options are there, you never know. So this turned out great. I really like them. I couldn't be more happy with how they worked. So there's only one thing to do now, and that's see if the boy approves. Hey son,
Yeah, Dad?
I finished that Nerf sight.
You did?
Here you go.
This thing's amazing! Thanks, Dad. If anybody wants one, be sure to get it on Thingiverse.